If you've been battling weight gain forever but nothing seems to work, don't give up. Many people struggle with slow metabolism, and it can be incredibly frustrating. You might feel like you're doing everything right, eating healthy, exercising regularly, and still not seeing the results you want. But don't lose hope. There are several strategies you can adopt to give your metabolism the boost it needs. Let's dive into some effective tips and tricks that can help you on your journey to a healthier, more energetic you. Here's what you need to do. First, stay hydrated. Water is essential for your body's metabolic processes. When you're dehydrated, your metabolism can slow down, making it harder to lose weight. Drinking enough water helps your body function optimally, including burning calories. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Carry a water bottle with you to remind yourself to drink throughout the day. Drinking water boosts your metabolism by up to 30%. This effect is even more pronounced if the water is cold, as your body uses extra energy to heat it to body temperature. Adding a slice of lemon or a splash of natural fruit juice can make your water more enjoyable and provide additional health benefits. Staying hydrated also helps you feel fuller, reducing the likelihood of overeating. So make water your go-to beverage and watch your metabolism get a natural boost. Next, say hello to strength training. Building muscle is one of the most effective ways to increase your metabolic rate. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even when you're at rest. Incorporate strength training exercises into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which work multiple muscle groups at once. Don't be afraid to lift heavy weights. Challenging your muscles will lead to greater gains and a higher metabolism. Building muscle helps you burn more calories even while resting. Eat more protein. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, and it has a higher thermic effect compared to fats and carbohydrates. This means your body uses more energy to digest protein, which can help boost your metabolism. Include a source of protein in every meal, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, or tofu. Protein shakes can also be a convenient way to increase your intake, especially after workouts. It takes more energy to digest, keeping you fuller longer. This can help you control your appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, protein helps preserve muscle mass during weight loss, ensuring that the weight you lose comes from fat rather than muscle. Aim for a balanced diet that includes a variety of protein sources to keep your meals interesting and nutritious. Remember, a well-rounded diet is key to a healthy metabolism, and don't forget small, frequent meals. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help keep your metabolism active throughout the day. When you go long periods without eating, your body may enter a state of conservation, slowing down your metabolism to preserve energy. By eating every 3-4 hours, you can keep your metabolism running smoothly and prevent energy dips. Choose nutrient-dense snacks like nuts, yogurt, fruits, and vegetables to keep you satisfied between meals. They keep your metabolism active throughout the day. Meal prepping can be a great way to ensure you have healthy, portion-controlled meals and snacks ready to go. This can help you avoid the temptation of unhealthy options when you're hungry and in a hurry. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time, and include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to keep your energy level stable. Consistency is key to maintaining an active metabolism. Spice things up with some chili peppers. Adding a bit of heat to your meals can do more than just tantalize your taste buds. Capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their spiciness, has been shown to increase metabolic rate and promote fat burning. It can also help reduce appetite, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals. Experiment with different types of chili peppers and spicy seasonings to find what you enjoy most. Just be mindful of your tolerance level to avoid discomfort. Capsaicin in them can help boost your metabolism too. Finally, sleep well. Quality sleep is often overlooked but is crucial for a healthy metabolism. Lack of sleep can disrupt your body's hormonal balance, leading to increased hunger and cravings, particularly for high-calorie, sugary foods. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night to support your metabolic health. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make your sleep environment as comfortable as possible. Lack of sleep can slow down your metabolism and increase cravings. Poor sleep can also lead to decreased physical activity and impaired decision-making, making it harder to stick to your healthy habits. Prioritize sleep as an essential component of your overall wellness plan. If you have trouble sleeping, consider practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or limiting screen time before bed. A well-rested body is better equipped to maintain a healthy metabolism. Remember, it's not just about eating less, but eating smart. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs to function optimally. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats should make up the majority of your diet. Avoid highly processed foods that are often high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. Making smart food choices can help you feel more satisfied and energized throughout the day. Hydrate, lift, protein up, snack wisely, spice it up, and sleep tight. You got this. Adopting these habits can make a significant difference in your metabolic rate and overall health. It's important to be patient and consistent, as changes in metabolism and weight loss can take time. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and stay motivated by setting realistic goals. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or online groups, to keep you accountable and inspired. Now go out there and crush your goals. Remember, the journey to a healthier metabolism is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed to your new habits, and over time you'll see the results you desire. Believe in yourself and your ability to make positive changes. With determination and the right strategies, you can overcome the challenges of a slow metabolism and achieve your health and fitness goals. Good luck, and keep pushing forward. Welcome back. Now that we've covered some foundational habits to boost your metabolism, let's dive into the world of food. Yes, what you eat can significantly impact your metabolic rate. In this chapter, we will explore various foods that can help speed up your metabolism. Stay tuned for some delicious and healthy options. First up, let's talk about green tea. This popular beverage is not only refreshing but also packed with antioxidants known as catechins, which can help increase your metabolic rate. Drinking a couple of cups a day can give your metabolism a gentle boost. Plus, the caffeine in green tea provides a natural energy lift. Next on the list is lean protein like chicken breast, turkey, and fish. As we mentioned earlier, protein has a higher thermic effect than fats and carbohydrates, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. Including lean protein in your diet can help you build muscle and keep your metabolism active. Don't forget about whole grains such as oats, brown rice, and quinoa. These complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy and take longer to digest, which can help keep your metabolism running smoothly. Whole grains are also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel fuller longer. Another metabolism-boosting hero is spicy food, specifically chili peppers. Capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their heat, can increase your metabolic rate and promote fat burning. Adding a bit of spice to your meals can do wonders for your metabolism. Lastly, incorporate healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are essential for your body's overall function and can help regulate your metabolism. Healthy fats also keep you satisfied and reduce the likelihood of overeating. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can give your metabolism the boost it needs. Remember, it's not just about eating less, but eating smart. Choose nutrient-dense foods that provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs to function optimally. Hydrate, lift, protein up, snack wisely, spice it up, and sleep tight. You got this. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you on your journey to a healthier, more energetic you. Up next, we'll explore how to create a balanced meal plan that keeps your metabolism firing on all cylinders. Don't miss it. Welcome back. Now that we've covered some foundational habits and the best foods to boost your metabolism, it's time to get moving. In this chapter, we'll guide you through some effective exercises that can significantly boost your metabolism. Get ready to get moving. First up, let's talk about high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. This type of workout not only burns a lot of calories in a short amount of time but also keeps your metabolism elevated long after you've finished exercising. Think of it as a metabolic afterburn effect. Next, we have strength training. Building muscle is one of the best ways to boost your metabolism because muscle tissue burns more calories at rest compared to fat tissue. Incorporate exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses into your routine to build and maintain muscle mass. Don't worry about bulking up. Strength training is beneficial for everyone and helps in maintaining a lean physique. Another great option is incorporating more movement into your daily life. Simple changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking or biking to work, or even standing while working can make a big difference. These small activities add up over time and help keep your metabolism active throughout the day. Cardio exercises like running, cycling, and swimming are also excellent for boosting your metabolism. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week. These activities not only burn calories, but also improve your cardiovascular health, making your body more efficient at burning energy. Lastly, don't forget about flexibility and balance exercises such as yoga and Pilates. These workouts may not burn as many calories as HIIT or strength training, but they help improve your overall fitness, reduce stress, and keep your body agile and strong. A well-rounded fitness routine is essential for a healthy metabolism. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you can give your metabolism the boost it needs. Remember, consistency is key. Find activities you enjoy, and make them a regular part of your life. Hydrate, lift, protein up, snack wisely, spice it up, and sleep tight. You got this. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you on your journey to a healthier, more energetic you. Up next, we'll explore how to create a balanced meal plan that keeps your metabolism firing on all cylinders. Don't miss it. Welcome back. Now that we've covered some foundational habits, the best foods to boost your metabolism, and effective exercises, it's time to talk about lifestyle changes that can help you maintain a faster metabolism. Small changes can make a big difference. First, let's talk about sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for a healthy metabolism. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Lack of sleep can disrupt your body's natural rhythms and slow down your metabolic rate. Establish a bedtime routine, reduce screen time before bed, and create a restful environment to improve your sleep quality. Next, hydration is key. Drinking enough water is essential for a well-functioning metabolism. Water helps your body process calories more efficiently. Start your day with a glass of water, carry a water bottle with you, and aim to drink at least 8 cups of water daily. Adding a slice of lemon or cucumber can make it more refreshing. Stress management is another important factor. Chronic stress can lead to hormonal imbalances that slow down your metabolism. Incorporate stress-relieving activities into your daily routine, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply taking a walk in nature. Finding time to relax can significantly impact your metabolic health. Another tip is to eat smaller, more frequent meals. Instead of 3 large meals, try eating 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day. This helps keep your metabolism active and prevents overeating. Include a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in each meal to keep you energized. Additionally, don't be afraid to spice things up. Certain spices like chili peppers, ginger, and turmeric have metabolism-boosting properties. Adding these spices to your meals can give your metabolism a little extra kick. Lastly, stay active throughout the day. Even if you have a sedentary job, take short breaks to stand up, stretch, or walk around. Use a standing desk if possible, and consider activities like gardening or playing with your pets to keep moving. By incorporating these lifestyle changes into your daily routine, you can support a faster metabolism and improve your overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Small, sustainable changes can lead to big results over time. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you on your journey to a healthier, more energetic you. You got this.